This is Dr. O'Hara. I wanted to demonstrate how to put in running heads because so many people seem to have trouble with it. So I find it easier to put the page numbers in with the running head when you have at least 2 pages. So even if you don't have any text on the 2 pages, have 2 pages. Then you want to go to the insert section, and then you want to put in the page numbers, which is the top of the page, right hand side. And notice how it picked up the Calibri, so we'll have to fix that. Now I want to put in my running head. So I am going to move the number over here because I want everything to be together here. So the first word of the running head is going to line up with this 1 inch mark. This is 1 inch, that's the margin. This is the text for the paper, and then this is the 1 inch margin over here because the margins are 1 inch on every side. Notice how the computer already puts this in. This is a 1/2 inch. If you measure down from the top here, this is 1/2 inch. So this is where the running head is going to be, and it is only going to be 50 characters. 50 characters ends up to be right about here. So you have a little fudge room, but not much. All right, so let's, one of my students gave me her paper, so let's go ahead and put in the running head for this paper. Running head, and then a colon, and then the title is going to be in full caps. So current treatment for early onset scoliosis. And that will be just fine. Okay, so now I need to get the page number over here to the 1 inch mark. So I'm just going to tab, and all I have to do is tab once, and that puts it there. Now, I want to be sure that I can have the words running head on the first page, but I don't want them on the second page. So you have to click off this box, different first page before you get started. Alright, so that takes care of that. Let us fix this number. So I'm going to go back to home, and I want this to be Times New Roman 12-point font. For some reason the computer does not consider the margins to be part of the paper, and so that's why it defaults to the Calibri 11, so you have to change it. Okay, let's move down here to page 2. So I want to put in the running head for page 2. So I'm going to edit the header, and because I'm lazy, I am going to just copy this. And I'm going to, because we said different first page, so page 1 and page 2, it's like having 2 different papers. So you have to go ahead and put in the page numbers. So I want to have the top of the page, right hand side. See it already picks up the number 2. Then I'm going to bring it back over here because I want my running head to start to line up here with the 1 inch mark. So now all I have to do is just fix the page number, so let's do that. Oops, I don't want Cambria. Times New Roman 12-point font. Okay, now we're all set. Now let's see if I tab what happens. 1 tab, and it goes right over to the 1 inch mark. Then all I have to do is go back to Insert, Header, edit the header, and close the header. And now I'm ready to go.